आज आज का
काम करना पहले, अभी तो इतनी हंसी की बात हुई भी नहीं है, सुबह हुई नीचे।
हेलो हेलो माइक चेक टेस्ट 1 2 Ellen here. Hi everyone, welcome to Ref Buzz. So today we are traveling and हम निकले हैं एक बहुत ही एक्सक्लूसिव चीज पे. We are going to
काफी
the
इंटरेस्टिंग गाड़ी देखने निकले हैं हम.
हाँ.
इलेक्ट्रिक कार.
हम निकले हैं MG इंडिया की तरफ से, उनका मीडिया लॉन्च है फॉर द MG Windsor एंड वी आर हेडेड टू गुड़गांव. हमारी आज का पूरा दिन हेक्टिक होने वाला है. वी हैव इट्स 7:30 इन द मॉर्निंग एंड हमारी फ्लाइट 8:30 पे है एंड वी आर कमिंग बैक द सेम डे. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेक्टिक
ट्रैवलिंग द होल डे
एंड देन वर्किंग देयर. वहाँ पर भी पूरे टाइम हमें खड़े रहना पड़ता है टू काइंड ऑफ record everything.
गाड़ी देखने की भी एक्साइटमेंट.
हाँ.
So we'll do it.
So we are very excited. Let's go. You know, fun fact, what happened? अभी हमारे तीनों के अलग अलग नाम पे कैब्स आ गई थी. एलिन की कैब अलग, मेरी कैब अलग, अवी's कैब अलग, एंड देन अवी ने चला के दिखाई.
स्मार्ट प्ले किया because we just tried to see कौन सी गाड़ी है. There were 2 Dzires and 1 Ciaz. तो मेरे नाम में Ciaz आई थी, तो हमने वो चूज कर ली.
हमने वो चूज की क्योंकि
Because obviously we would need a better car. Who wouldn't want it?
दिल्ली में वेदर कितना अच्छा है.
वेदर छोड़, कार्स देखना. ZSEV कैब में.
ZSEV कैब में. हाँ.
For the first time I'm seeing MG ZS कैब में.
So हम अपनी सियाज में बैठ गए एंड वी आर हेडिंग टू दी होटल जहाँ पे हमारा इवेंट है. और सबसे बड़ी बात कि द होल डे इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी हेक्टिक क्योंकि हम लोग पूरा दिन काम करने वाले हैं आज.
क्या हुआ?
Attention passengers, this is your captain speaking. Please fasten your seat belts as your business class journey is about to begin.
Over here you can see that this is the connecting DRL setup which is running across the bonnet. Then this is the fog lamp, the MG glowing logo over there, and I think it looks very sleek when you see it in person. So these are the diamond cut alloys and you get 215/55 R18s over here. And this is the 2700 mm of wheelbase which is the longest in the segment. You get flush type door handles over here and I absolutely love the color on offer. It looks very futuristic when you see this car in person.
Finally, I'm inside the MG Windsor EV. So right now, the biggest highlight is this sky roof. You get a glass pane roof. It's not a sunroof. It doesn't open up, but it is so very huge that you feel almost that you are staring into the sky. On the inside, you get these brushed golden effect and the interior theme is all black. The seat upholstery is also in a completely new way, which is not really seen on any car. And the biggest highlight of this seat, the back reclines to a whopping 135 degrees of angle. Just look at it. So comfortable, you feel as if you're just sleeping. And that is why MG calls it the business class experience inside this very particular MG Windsor EV. So the AC vents right here, you don't get dual vents, you get a single one over here. You have the storage spaces and you also have these speakers which look very premium. They have the metallic finish and they also glow with the ambient lighting. And this car has 9 speaker infinity sound system for an immersive overall sound experience. Here I am inside the MG Windsor. So यहाँ पे सबसे पहले आपको देखने मिलेगा 15.6 इंच का टच स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले. ये है सेगमेंट में सबसे बड़ा एंड इसमें आपको फीचर्स इतने सारे मिल जाएंगे that you will, I mean, you would run out of time even knowing all of them. So this is all about it. So to get started, it comes with 80 plus connected car technology, and along with that you have 100 plus commands for your voice command. You can it comes paired with the AI. So even if you speak in Hindi or in in a fancy way, it still does its job. Isn't that really cool? Also यहाँ नीचे आपको मिल जाता है AC के controls. There are no major buttons present on the dashboard. It is all finished in one basic theme. So it is quite minimalist as you take a look at it. Here you get the parking brake. Here's the bonnet release latch. These are the AC vents, and you also have a cup holder over here. The dashboard is very huge. It extends all the way till there because this is a pure electric vehicle. It does not have an ICE counterpart. So that is why the MG Windsor is one very spacious vehicle.
In today's time, when safety is of utmost importance, MG Windsor comes with 35 plus safety features and 6 airbags as standard in all the models.
Apart from features, what makes the MG Windsor stand out from every other vehicle out there? First, the major concern of every EV owner is warranty on battery. Well, that's sorted because MG is offering lifetime and unlimited kilometer warranty on the battery pack of the Windsor EV. That allows for a major peace of mind during the ownership of this vehicle. Second, MG offers battery as a service program wherein you pay as you drive your Windsor EV. Under this program, you don't really own the battery, you pay a sum of rupees 3.5 per kilometer as you drive your vehicle. So basically you pay the said sum as much as you drive your Windsor EV. That is pretty interesting because it significantly lowers down the cost of the vehicle, making it even more affordable. Third, MG is offering an assured buyback scheme wherein you get up to 60% of your vehicle's value up to 3 years or 45,000 kilometers. Fourth, 1 year free public charging when you charge your Windsor EV via the MG eHub app. All of this contributes towards making the MG Windsor EV an even more tempting option. Buyers are gonna love these attractive offers for sure.
MG Windsor also gets the digital key, so you can unlock or lock your vehicle with your smartphone or your smartwatch, and it also gets the feature of sharing your key. So in case if you cannot give your physical key to someone who is willing to drive your vehicle, you can always send it over from your phone to theirs, and the MG Windsor will unlock and the car, and you can use the car as how you would normally. So to sum up the MG Windsor, I'll quickly show you around one more time. The front, this is how it looks. Connected LED DRLs, glowing MG logo, 360-degree camera, headlights over here, 18-inch alloy wheels. This is the charging port. You get 2 of them. One on this side, the front left, and the other one is on the right hand side, rear part of the vehicle. So you can charge your vehicle if you park it towards the front or towards the back. You get both AC and DC charging. MG badging over here. Flush type door handles. Well, this is the side profile. It's a very big car. It's not a SUV, it's not a hatchback, but still it fits somewhere in the between, and it's a huge vehicle. Excuse me. Huge boot space. You can sit or you can fit yourself completely inside. Just look at it. I'll show you more. Well, this is how deep the storage is inside. This is an amplifier for the 9-speaker sound system that it gets. You would also get a spare tire, I assume, but right now it's not here and we don't have enough information to be sure about it.
Huge car at a starting price of just rupees 9.99 lakhs, loaded with features, and my favorite highlight, the rear seat comfort. It's a business class.
Well, if you talk about the features and convenient things on offer, you get plenty of them. ADAS tech, big touch screen with connected car technology, a whole lot of features that you will enjoy using for sure. Moreover, the range on offer is 331 kilometers on a full charge, which is also very impressive. The buying options are also very attractive, such as the battery as a service program, lifetime and unlimited kilometers warranty on the battery pack, and also the assured buyback options. So all these make up and they give a very positive image of the MG Windsor.
So don't forget to check out the MG Windsor. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time. Bye bye.